Well, I'm here with the sun, and we're going to interview him. Boy, it sure is boiling up here.
Hello, I'm the sun.
Hi, we're just wondering if we can ask you some questions.
Okay, go ahead, ask me.
Okay, let us begin. So, people on Earth think that you're an atomic bomb ready to blow up. How do you feel about this?
Well, it's sort of true, but I won't explode until a couple billion years later. I'm also atomic or nuclear. You see, I have a radiation zone located right outside of my core.
People on Earth have recently found dark spots on your surface. What are they? And do you need Proactive's dark spot corrector?
First of all, I don't need Proactive or whatever that is. Second, there are cooler dark patches that appear on my surface every now and then.
Okay, thanks for your time.
No problem.
Now we're moving on to Mercury. Hi. So Mercury, tell us 3 interesting things about yourself.
Well, first, I have an iron core. Second, I have no moons. And third, I'm full of craters.
Speaking of craters, can you tell us which is your biggest crater?
My biggest crater is called Carolus, and it's bigger than the state of Texas.
Scientists on Earth say that you are hot and cold at the same time. Is this true?
Yes, it is true. One side of me, it is 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and the other side is negative 245 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow, impressive. Anyways, thanks you for sharing.
You're welcome.
Venus, hey, we're just going to ask you a few questions and...
Go away.
But I was just going...
I said go away.
But come on, Venus, just for a lit...
Fine, I'll tell you a bunch of facts, then you'll scram.
Okay, as long as they're smart facts.
Whatever.
What'd you say?
I said I have toxic clouds, a rocky surface, lots and lots of volcanoes. And I'm the hottest planet. My atmosphere is so dense you'll be squished flat even before you set foot on my surface. Earth's found developing scientists call me Earth's ugliest twin. And I have acid rain.
Why, thank you for those fantastic facts.
Now get out of my sight.
Okay, geez, what a hothead. Literally.
I heard you.
Earth, home sweet home. How do you feel?
Polluted.
Why do you feel polluted?
Because you're gunking at my atmosphere by burning fossil fuels.
Let's not talk about that issue. And let's...
Oh, it is an issue.
Anyways, can we ask you some questions?
Sure, as long as you promise to recycle.
Okay, we have intel that Saturn is complaining that you get all the attention. Why is this?
Well, because Ringhead over there doesn't understand that I'm special and that she is no longer Miss Beauty Pageant anymore.
Hey, you know I'm pretty and you better watch it.
Special? How?
Well, I receive perfect temperature from the sun. I'm the only known planet to have life, and I'm the prettiest blue marble you have ever seen.
How can you support life?
Oh, that's an easy question. It's because I have water and atmosphere, oxygen, and I have the best spot in the solar system.
Okay, that's all our questions, and thank you for your time.
You're welcome, and do something about my ruptured ozone layer.
Now, on to Mars. Mars. Big, red, and dead. How are you doing?
Really? Big, red, and dead? I'm rusty, not dead.
May we ask you some questions?
Fine.
So, scientists on Earth have been sending spacecrafts and rovers to study you, and I was wondering if you like this or not.
No, I do not like this.
Why?
Because Earth's willy-nilly spacecrafts always get in my face, and if I had hands and arms, I would throw them back to Earth. And also because your so-called rovers are so annoying. You may think it's a great idea, but it's an awful idea. Because once your rovers reach me, they break, and then you ignore it, and then I become piled up with robot garbage.
Okay, so why are you so red? Is it because you're embarrassed?
No, it's because my rocks and ground are dusty and rusty.
Is that true because it rhymes?
Yes, it is.
Okay, last question. Tell me 3 interesting facts about yourself.
Sure. First, I have a canyon that is at least 3 times as big as Earth's Grand Canyon that can stretch across the USA. Second, that canyon is called Valles Marineris. Third, my moons all look like big lumpy potatoes.
Thanks for answering my questions.
No problem.
Jupiter, hi. We're just going to...
Ask me some questions.
How did you know that?
Oh, the asteroid belt overheard you and Mars, and they happened to tell me.
Oh, anyways, let's start with the questions.
Okay.
First question. You are very, very big. How big exactly?
I'm so big that I am 2.5 times bigger than all the planets combined.
Wow, that is big.
Yeah, I know, right?
We have intel that Saturn says that she is more special than you because she has rings.
Oh, yeah? Guess what?
What?
Neptune and Uranus and I have rings too. Not just Ringhead over there.
Hey, at least mine are visible.
Oh, be quiet, Saturn.
Jupiter, one last question.
Go ahead.
People on Earth have seen a big red zit. Do you need proactive?
Hey, I do not need proactive. It's just a big storm, and I happen to have two.
Oh, anyways, bye Jupiter.
Bye.
Hey girl, what's up Saturn?
Oh, nothing. I'm just looking at pictures of myself.
May we ask you some questions?
Yay, paparazzi.
Okay, tell me 3 interesting facts about yourself.
Sure. 1 is on the most distant planet you can see with the naked eye. 2 is ammonia in my atmosphere gives me my beautiful golden color. 3, and keep it secret, ancient Mesopotamian astronomers call me the old sheep.
Cool beans.
Please don't say that again.
Cool frijoles.
Much, much better, I think.
Next question. Earth thinks you're fat and laughs about it. How do you respond to this?
Really? Will you tell that blue monstrosity of a marble that I'm not fat and that I'm the second largest planet in the solar system?
And the biggest and fattest in the fit woman magazine.
Zip it, H2 or I'll...
You'll what? Exercise? Ha 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 ha.
I'll throw my moon titan at you.
What? Well, I'd like to see you try.
Fine, Titan, come here.
What? No.
Titan, come here.
No, you're crazy. Wait, no, you're insane.
Titan.
Ladies, and Titan, we don't have time for this.
Fine.
Whew. Anyways, back to orbiting Saturn.
Now, Saturn, answer me this last question.
Okay.
Are you married?
No, of course not. Why would you think that?
Because you have tons of wedding rings.
No, these aren't wedding rings. They're just dust, ice, and rocks.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for your time, Saturn.
All right, take care.
You too. So, Uranus, how do you feel?
Sideways, tipped over, oh, and rolling around a star.
Can we ask you some questions?
Sure.
Okay. Do you know who discovered you? You're pretty mysterious, you know.
Yes, I know. It was a music teacher who liked to look through a telescope for fun.
Jazzy. You have rings, right?
Right.
How many rings to be exact?
13, exactly.
Okay, last question. How did you get tipped over?
Really funny. Ha ha.
What's funny?
You making fun of me. It's not right to know. It's just so messed up that you, a highly respected reporter, wants to meddle and make fun of my personal issues.
Gee, sorry. I really didn't know that.
Well, if you want to know, I don't know.
What?
Well, you see, one day I was taking a nap and then, wham! I wake up and I was on my side.
What do you think happened?
I think I was either hit by a planet, asteroid, or I was pulled hard by Saturn's or Neptune's gravity.
Well, I'm sure you'll figure it out somehow. Anyways, thanks for answering my questions.
No problem.
Neptune, my big blue buddy, mind if I ask you some questions?
Ask away.
Okay. Why are you so blue? Do you want to cry?
No, I don't want to cry. I'm blue because my atmosphere has lots and lots of hydrogen and helium with a little bit of methane.
Nice. How do you feel about being the last planet in the solar system?
I'm also the smallest gas giant, and I feel bad for poor little Pluto.
Last question. You have strong winds. How strong?
As strong as 1,200 miles an hour, 9 times as strong as hurricane winds.
Whoa. Thanks for sharing. And that's all you need to know on Spare.
Aren't you forgetting me?
Yes, I'm forgetting you.
Hey, don't talk to Pluto that way.
But he's not a planet anymore.
So,
I can't interview him.
oh, you will.
But,
Now.
okay, jeez.
Hey, thanks, Sharon.
No worries, little guy.
So, Pluto, How do you feel about being neglected?
Really, really sad.
Oh, Pluto, you poor little dwarf planet.
He's not a dwarf planet.
But he falls under that category.
Sharon's right.
But how?
I'm now called a Plutoid, aka dwarf planet.
Okay, how many moons do you have?
4, including my best friend Chen.
Oh, Pluto, you flatter me.
Last question. How did you get your cute little name?
An 11-year-old girl named Venetia Brenny named me.
Thank you for your time, Pluto and Sharon.
Goodbye.
Bye. And that's all you folks need to know on Speaking with the Solar System.
And have a good night.